Old T-Bird. Gonna buy it. Use it for parts. Sit here a long time. Quite a bit. Windshield crack. Front grill look better than mine. I can use that door. Damn, door open up real good. I swear I want to reach down and pop the hood. Let's see here. That's so much ain't gonna pop. Man, the door shut good. I want that whole door. Fender good. Hood good. Front cap still good, basically. This door. That's probably broke. Alright guys, I brought T-Bird 5.0 to get the top sanded down and primered. Had a couple rust spots. Took a couple pictures, but I tore the rag top off this morning, and body guy put primer on it. I got a couple pictures I'm gonna show you after the video, and like I said, I'm gonna get another rag top put on it. But as I look at it, the car won't look too bad without the top. If the whole car was just painted same color, well, the top was painted the same color of the car, I don't think it would look that bad. But I'm still gonna go ahead and put a rag top on since I already paid to get all the material.
Boss boys.
Yeah, you know what the fuck going on. Yeah. Get it, man.
White LED on this wrist. That's a felony in this clip. Track the whole damn thing and your bitch. White LED on the stick. It's 9 felonies if I let it rip. Clyde Drexler me, drop the top on the whip. My flex is C, who got all the chips? Guys next to me, Mike got your bitch. 5 refs can see I'm ballin' in this bitch.